All right, so I'm almost done packing the hill. I got it blended pretty good with that extra material I had. Got all that spread out. I got this packed pretty nice here. So what I'm doing right now is just taking some of the material from back there and spreading it in the low spots here and try to blend all this. This is a low spot here, but I got to bring in some dirt, so I'm probably going to use some of this to push in here and then bring more dirt from way down below and go from there. But I got to get a laser up here to check my angle of the grade, so it's hard to tell right now. I'm so close. I'm within a few inches. I just got to figure out what side to build it up. I mean, I'd say the front's got to be built up a little bit. I mean, all right, well, guess I'll get back to it. So I'm packing it pretty good, try to get it a little more even here, and it's looking pretty good. I mean, I gotta move these boulders, so I'll be thinking about that. All right, so I'll show you guys what I did. So this is pretty close to done. I mean, I just gotta get some dirt on there, so it looks good. So yeah, it's just a light layer of dirt, maybe 3 to 4 inches of dirt on there, some loose dirt. Smooth that out, and I can put some grass seed down. So I'm just gonna continue on, move to this section. I gotta get these boulders out. I'm gonna pick out all the chunky rocks out of here and probably just toss it into my rock wall pile. So there's just too many chunky ones in here, so it's gonna be hard to pack. So I'm just gonna sift through it and then again come by hand with the track loader and move this out of here. All right, so I'm done with this section here. So you can see it's nice and smooth. Just gotta get a little dirt on it. Got some dirt here, but I mean, I packed a lot of rock there, which is nice because that's actually gonna be the road. So, I mean, this whole back section is gonna be the road going in, so that's fine if it's a little more rocky, but you can see how nice and tight it packs it. You know, it's pretty nice. So, just gotta get some dirt up here. So I'm almost done with the pad. I mean, I just gotta come up with the track loader, move all this. So I gotta get these boulders out of here. I still haven't figured that out. I don't know, I don't wanna keep moving them around, but the only way to move these things is with this machine. I mean, those things are heavy, so I gotta figure out where to put them. I might set one right on this corner here, like right here. Or maybe set all of them right there, I don't know. I could stack them, but I just don't want them in the way. Yeah, dang, that's been bugging me. Anyway, I'm gonna move on. I'll probably just move out of here and go work up there and finish that up so I can get that done and get out of there. So we'll see. I mean, it's almost 4 o'clock, so got about an hour and a half, 2 hours to go. All right, well, I will talk to you guys on the next project.